welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fall wedding centerpiece and setup. Here we go. Notice all of the decors in every store are now fall decor, so I feel like I'm kind of forced to make a fall wedding centerpiece, which I don't like because I'm still kind of into the summer. Maybe I can mix them together. Yeah, so let's get started. This video is probably going to be one of my shortest wedding videos because for once I don't have to make the vase. I found this very cute wooden box at Walmart for a little bit over $5, which will be about the same amount of money I will spend if I was to make a vase from Dollar Tree or from somewhere else. So I'm very excited about it. And look how cute it is. Look at that. Nice. So it has like a chalkboard area where you can like write table number or whatever you want if you want to use plants. But I'm going to be using this for my vase, but this time I'm going to use this side. So it has multiple uses for different things or whatever you want to do. So since I don't want my look to be so rustic, I'm just going to turn it over and put it on the regular side. And it's very fall-y. Is that a word? I think so. So this vase is very fall-y. And yeah, so let's just get started with the arrangement. Since the box is kind of deep, I'm going to be using 2 foam blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and glue them right inside with some hot glue. I'm going to start by using white hydrangeas from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use these hydrangeas as filler flowers. I don't really want them to show. They're just there because I only bought 2 bouquets of every flower that I have. If it shows, that's fine, but if it doesn't, that's great. Hopefully I'm able to have enough flowers to fill everything up, but I think I will. But just to cover up the foam, I'm going to go ahead and use these around the border of the foam. I'm going to leave the leaves on, and I'm going to cut them about 2 inches long. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful, beautiful bouquet of purplish blue hydrangeas from Michael's. These were 40% off. They were pretty high. These were $16 original price, but I paid about $8 or $9, about I think $8.99 maybe for them. Yes, they are a little bit more expensive, but they are on sale. And I just love the look of them. I am not liking a lot of the flowers right now. Everything's going in, you know, transition right now. This is the best I could find, and like I said, I only bought 2 bouquets for all the flowers that I'm going to use today. So yeah, so these are beautiful. Look at that. Totally worth it. These I'm going to cut about 4 inches long, and I'm going to start placing them on my 4 corners, and then I'm going to have one in the front and the back, and then I'm going to fill in. My hydrangeas for the middle are going to be a little longer. This is about 6 inches long, and I'm going to leave the leaves in. I'm going to place this one in the middle to let me know how tall I want my arrangement to be. Next, I'm going to be using beautiful Ivory Roses from Michael's. These were $9.99 per bouquet original price. At 40% off, they were about $6, and they are lovely and full. Love them. I'm going to be cutting these in different length. I'm going to cut some at 6 inches. This one is about 8 to 10 inches. And I may cut some at 4 inches, okay? So I want different length for these. Next, I'm going to add Peachy Roses from Michaels. These are pretty much the same bouquet as this one, just different colors. And I'm going to be cutting them basically the same way. Next, I'm going to be adding this amazing purple dahlias from Michaels. They were $4.99 original price, 40% off, 5 half of that, $2.50, so it was $3.50. All right. Now I'm going to add more greenery to the arrangement. These are leaf stems from Walmart and they are $3 a stem. And I love these leaves because they make anything look better. So I'm just going to randomly place them around the arrangement. Next, I'm going to use this beautiful ivory lace ribbon from Michaels. I have been wanting to use lace for a while and today is the day, so I'm excited. So I'm just going to place it around the box. Since this box is not a square, you cannot just place it around and it will lay perfectly. So you're gonna have to do piece by piece. So first I'm going to cut the front and then I'm going to do the sides and then the back. And lastly, I'm going to be placing this beautiful brooch from Totally Dazzled. It is very sparkly and I love it. I'm actually going to be getting more inventory from Totally Dazzled, so make sure to hit your notification bell so you can know whenever I upload a video. I'm going to be using them for my wedding videos, so stay tuned for that. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the middle. Okay guys, this is it. This is my fall wedding centerpiece. It is more like a end of summer, starting of fall centerpiece. It is absolutely elegant and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my fall wedding centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of someone that's getting married soon, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. Alright guys, until next time, bye.